Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding a Google search bar to your Android home screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Having a Google search bar on your home screen is super handy for when you just want to quickly search for something without having to open a web browser first. To add a Google search bar, hold down on an empty space on your home screen, and then tap Widgets from the bottom of the page that appears. In Widgets, tap on the Google widget. You may have to swipe to find it. Swipe through the Google widgets until you get to the search bar, and then tap Add. Find the Google search bar on your home screen, and if you want to reposition it, then hold down on it and drag it to your desired location. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android tips and tricks.